Okay, as you notice, now I used foam. I just kept like a filling material. I have a cloth. Now I am going to take water. I take a little water because the gypsum will settle very faster, and I am going to use only one cloth. So I can avoid some water, little water, because I am experimenting. You also use like a cup like this so that you don't waste gypsum. As I told you, you have taken water first, then the gypsum powder. Even taking gypsum powder, if you can use a spoon kind of stuff, it's good. Now currently let me use kind of foam board, or I can put in the finger, it's okay. Unless you are not wasting material, it's fine. See, I am just putting on top of this. How much I should put? Now whatever I put inside, it is gone. So I put again. It's gone. I put again. Now it started stopping. Since we are going to dip the cloth inside, it should be more liquid, not solid. Now I cannot put my finger inside, so I am using a stick. There is more water, I can add little more. See, we can add powder, but you cannot add water again, okay? Because one time you mix powder, then you cannot add water. You cannot keep mixing for a long time. Just 10 seconds, 20 seconds, it's okay. Now see, now I take the piece is ready, cloth is ready for me. I just dip it inside. I just mix it nicely so that the cloth takes up all the water and the gypsum together. See here. Okay. Now I take the material, the cloth with the gypsum. Now it is already wet. I have just opened up, and I can remove some. If it is more liquid, I can remove it like this, so that it will not spread everywhere. Now I open up the material. See, the cloth and gypsum is mixed in the cloth. Now I am taking up this. I am planning from somewhere in the bottom, no problem. Just make it, when you hold, just make it little tight. Allow and merge on the shapes, and then roll it up again. The same way we can do cement also. Instead of this mixture, you can mix cement. You can wear a big glasses. Remember, wear a gloves, wear a glass, safety glass, so that it's make more safety for you to work. You are going to do work first time. Do not allow your child next to you. You are working with sharp wires, so be careful handling the wires. The small kids will be coming anytime near to you. So close the room and start work, and inform somebody to take care of the kids. Now see, the layer applied, one layer. If it is required, you can apply another layer. Now there are some gypsum still in the cup, so I am using the stick. See, now this is started settling. I can apply. How to do finishing? I am going to show one area. See, I am applying, allowing this to settle for 3 minutes. That's why I say mixing very little. If you mix too much, it's a problem for you. As I told you, we can use paper. So you can even take the paper, you can dip it. If it is a new paper is good. I am using a chart paper. This is paper. Even this can help you to fill the area. So I applied the paper, I applied cloth. Both will be given strong. Inside this there is a foam, there is nothing inside. If you are keep on adding gypsum very strong on the top, and then it is fall down. So in the bottom area, always give a thick area, more gypsum. Now the gypsum is getting settled. I am going to finish and show you how I am going to do finishing. I take little, allow 1 minute, 2 minutes to settle. Now, sir, this is not coming equal. How that will come equal? You keep one water near when you work finishing. Keep the water in the stick. I just apply on top of it, so that the smoothness will come in no minute. Or even do one more thing you can do. What is that? You apply the material into the paper and then allow the paper, keep on the paper and then just smooth it up. You understood? There are many techniques. You can use the plastic. For me, I suggest dip water in the stick, whatever you are using, just smooth it. Within no time, you will not be wasting much time to finishing. What shape you want, it will come. Allow this to dry. See, now still I have gypsum, so don't waste much gypsum. Take a little cup, little you use it up. Now I am finishing on the paper. Now apply water again. The final finishing, I am touching this. After this dry, see back side it is not finished. Front side I have done some level. Now it has to dry. So you can apply again gypsum. Allow to dry, whichever the way you want to keep it. Let it dry for 10-20 minutes. Then your basic wire structure and gypsum built in. The shape. Now you can see what I have done. The other shape I showed you before. I have to build. See, this is no finishing at all. The top is I have done something. Bottom I did not finish. So when you finish everything, your structures will come like this. All the shapes, you understand how they built it up, the finishing, the planning, all that will come slowly. Once it is started dry, you can use the sandpaper, the sandpaper, salt paper. Just rub it, make it more smooth. Okay? So we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Give your comments, tell your friends to do that and see that. Okay? All of us. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.